because a lot of my followers in IG has been asking for a chatty flip of my platter narrow. Sorry for my voice, I know it sounds awkward, but anyways, moving forward, this is my platter narrow in Pueblo leather. I got it almost 3 months ago. I know it's not that long time, but I am consistently using it since then, and I really love it. This platter narrow may not be for everyone, but I recommend this size for anyone who wants to downsize from standard TN. It has a gold side here and gold rings. It comes in different sizes, but what makes me go for platter narrow is that I can't see much people trying it, so I got curious. Here in the cover, I added a few patches and it's all from Misopaper. I will link her shop below. This is a coffee theme patch and it's part of her 6th anniversary release that will be on the 22nd of November. I really love it because if you've been following in my IG, you know I love cafe journaling. Upon opening my planner, you will first see this fastener case from Platter USA. I purchased it together with the planner and it's a good place to store your sticker. In here are some of my favorite stickers this is from Journaling Days. This is from Journaling Days also. And other stickers that I needed as on the go. My first dashboard is from Traveler Times newspaper, which I cut into shape. And another dashboard I recycled. This paper comes with the platter planner and I just decided to decorate it with elements I love the most. The first section of my planner is an inbox. This is where I write down things I needed to accomplish within the month and some ideas I needed to add for my work meetings. Second section of my planner is my monthly spread. It's mix of appointments and things happen that day. There's no specific way on how I'm using it, but I love looking at it at the end of the month and seeing how much I did and how many things to be grateful for. I love nettle and twig, so most of my deco here is from nettle and twig. So that's September, this is October, and this is for November. For December, I will use monthly insert from Platter USA and I am excited for the 2025 insert and I really love the paper. Initially, I don't like the paper because I love thick papers, but for some reason, any pen I use, it just glides so good. So this is the 2025 monthly from Platter USA and it comes with December 2024. So this is how it looks like. Next section is my progress notes, some work stuff I want to read about and look into. And this is the checklist just to know the progress of it. This is a fall card. This vellum paper is from Mamile Little Bits box and it's really cute. This ephemera is from a local shop in Philippines. This is a sticker paper I cut. It's originally in size of standard TN. The stickers are mostly from Misopaper and this is a new collab of Misopaper and Nettle Twig. Its name is Paper Lovers, so it's perfect for all stationery lovers like me. And in this new collab, the artwork and the color palette is just so nice. This is a TN with craft folder. This is a typewriter and some fountain pens. You have the Delphonic pouch over here and planner. Basically, every stationery addicts must have. Here is another dashboard I recycled and this is one of my favorite. I just love how it turned out. The third section is all about my weekly spread. It is a mix and match of layouts I feel like using, I feel like trying. So here is my mood tracker and I have been consistently using it for 2 months now. I am more of a maximalist and I love using a lot of stickers on my layout. But at the same time, I have enough space for my to-do list and notes as you can see. My handwriting is small, so small spaces works with me. This spread is inspired by Journaling Days kit and I really love it. In here, as you can see, I tried horizontal layout. My weekly spread is mix of to-do list, notes, and journaling. This is one of my favorite weekly layout and my favorite stickers from Happy Daya. I was hesitant to use these stickers because they are just too cute. And this is the last week's spread. As you can see, I wrote here random notes related to work. And here I wrote a quick review about a movie I watched. I love seeing a full spread, that is why I write anything under the sun. And for 2025, I will be using the Platter Weekly and I am excited about it, and also at the same time, I was hesitant to get it because I know myself. Most of the time, I end up changing my spread and insert in the middle of the year. So I hope I can keep up with this. Let me show you what's inside. This is how it looks like. This is the dated section and this is an empty space where you can write your to-do list. This one starts at the end of December to March 2026. And most of the papers I am using here is from 2mm grit refill memo pad from Platter and I really love it. Although initially I was having hard time adjusting on how to write in this small grid, but now it just works perfect for me. This is my order tracker. This is some work stuff. And this is some planner ideas I wanted to try. Here is another sticker sheet. And these cute stickers are from Paula Papery. She is a Filipina seller and I got this during a sticker event I attended in the Philippines. Another dashboard, of course, same theme as the last two dashboard. Purely coffee theme and cute stuff. The last section of my planner is note section. I just wrote random nice to know things. And here in the back section is another set of my favorite stickers and washi samples. This is my favorite washi tapes. Well, that's it. In conclusion, I love this planner so much. Some people find the rings too small, but for me, it just works fine. I hate big rings because I feel pressured that I need to fill it up just so the rings will not look empty. And I love the size of it. Don't get me wrong, my standard TN is still my favorite size, but I am just taking break from it. And Platter is such a good replacement. And I also have here Platter mini rings where all the Platter madness started. This is purely a Platter I bring with me at work. It has some cute stuff, but mostly boring meeting stuff. As you can see here, some of my notes, some reminders, weeklies. So that's it. Thank you so much for staying until the end and I really appreciate you all. Until next time, bye!